This 2018 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 36U is a Class A RV. It is located in Concord, North Carolina 28027 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charlotte. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 77 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2018 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 36U is built on a PowerBridge chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.